Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I got this wireless Apple CarPlay sent to me from Fahren. They've actually sent me stuff before. I actually have one of these kind of like this in my Honda HR-V car, but we're going to actually try this on the Goldwing and see how it works. It may not work at all, but we're going to find out. So basically all we do is we take this out and we're just actually going to plug it in right here in this compartment. So we'll take it out of the package, plug it in, get on here and see if it will connect. So we'll open the package here. This should work. Like I said, it does work on my car. Works great. It's nice not to have to plug in your phone every time and to do the CarPlay. You can have wireless CarPlay on your Honda Goldwing. The new models actually come with wireless CarPlay. So it comes with your little CarPlay adapter. It also comes with, depending on what you got, which it comes with a USB-C to USB adapter, which we don't have USB-C. All we need is this USB. So I'm just going to plug it in right in here, where you have the USB. Okay, so now I want to turn my ignition on. So we'll go in here on the phone, we'll go into Bluetooth, and we should be able to find wireless dongle. I'm pretty sure that's probably it right there. We'll click on that. Click on pair, allow. Okay, after I started, my screen comes up, shows wireless dongle connected. Enable once or enable always. I want to go to enable always. And then all we have to do is go over here and go down to CarPlay using the jog dial. And now we're connected to Apple CarPlay wirelessly. So now I don't have my phone plugged in. I want to make sure that it works wireless. So now I want to just turn off the motorcycle. Now to do this, one thing to note is you must be connected to a headset. So if we go to home screen, you can see right here, it shows rider headset 1. If you're connected to number 2, that is the passenger headset. We want to be connected to rider headset 1, which my Senna helmet is connected to it. That's number 1. So in order to use CarPlay, you have to be connected to a headset. So now we go back to CarPlay. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Turn it back on. And as soon as it connects to my Senna headset, which it is connected always when I start the bike, as soon as it boots the system, connects to the Senna headset, then it should connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay. Click OK to go past that. There's the rider headset connected. See the number 1 up there with a little headset icon. And there is our wireless CarPlay. So yes, it is working. Super sweet. So actually pretty easy to set up. Just remember the steps. Basically, you want to make sure you're connected to the wireless dongle on your iPhone. And then you want to make sure you are connected to your Senna headset. And then it should come up and work just like that. So now we have wireless CarPlay instead of having to have this plugged in like I normally do. This is what I plug in to do wired CarPlay. I just have this cable run down and into my compartment here where I plugged in the wireless dongle. That's where this cable plugged into. So now I'm just doing wireless CarPlay. And it seems to work pretty slick. So should we just go to everything on here? There's my playlist. Go to Google Maps, shows the maps. Looks like it's working good. All right, there you go. Okay, guys, that's it for the Fahren P700 wireless CarPlay dongle, and it works for the Honda Goldwing. Thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.